Hello everybody, I'm Mina, your English teacher. I'm so happy and thankful to each and every one of you for subscribing to my channel and watching this video. Today's lesson is about past perfect tense. Let's dive in. We use past perfect to tell a story which definitely happened in the past. This story can be real or something that we just make up to entertain others. Although past perfect is an advanced part of English grammar, it's super easy to make sentences. Just use had and PP form of verb. PP form of verb. Look at this chart. This chart includes base form, simple past, and past participle form of 3 verbs as examples. Walk, past form, walked. Past participle form, walked. This is a regular verb. Another verb, buy. Past form, bought. Past participle form, bought. Next, fall. Past form, fell, and past participle form, fallen. These 2 verbs are irregular verbs. The PP form for regular verbs is the same as simple past form. For example, walk, walked, walked. The PP form for irregular verbs is sometimes the same as simple past form. For example, buy, bought, and bought. Simple past and PP form are the same. However, the PP form for some irregular verbs sometimes totally changes. For example, fall, simple past, fell, and past participle form, fallen. Alright, imagine we have 2 past actions. She left the house is action number 1. So we use past perfect and say she had left the house. The school bus arrived is the second action. So I use simple past and say the school bus arrived. She had left the house when the school bus arrived. Let's read more sentences. The children had eaten dinner. We had done our homework. I had taken a shower. Jessie had visited China. John had started the game. It had rained. You had bought the book. No matter what the subject is, always use had and PP form of verb. Do you understand how that works? It's never bad to practice more and make more examples. Keep watching. Alex had read the book before he lost it. Alex had read the book. This is the past perfect tense. He lost it. It is in simple past tense. It's clear that first he read the book, then he lost it. Keep in mind, for the past action that happened before another action in the past, you have to use past perfect tense. In this way, you can make your story even more interesting. One more example. I had listened to that song when I downloaded it. Had listened. This is the past perfect tense. Downloaded is the simple past tense. Past perfect shows the first action and simple past shows the second action. First, I listened to that song. I loved it and then I downloaded it. Okay, now tell me your ideas about past perfect tense. You can practice more by making up a story and writing it in comments for me. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and share it with your friends. Stay subscribed because new lessons about past perfect tense are on the go. See you soon!